All right, this one just came in. It's a covered wagon, 32-foot, race-ready enclosed trailer. You've got the generator box you just saw on the side door there, 2 race lights going down the sides, as well as exterior receptacle. You got the spread 7,000-pound torsion axles underneath it. Semi-screwless exterior. Got a real nice, smooth exterior. You got cabinets on the sidewall, base cabinets, and overhead cabinets, as well as a small base cabinet there. You've got rubber coin floor, silver aluminum walls and ceiling, LED lights in the ceiling. This has got a full electrical package. Your panel box is under there for the electricity. Come see us today. Get your race ready trailer. We're in Byron, Georgia. 478-654-5350.